In your classroom, you will want to make sure that the sound in Teams is set to come out of your large speakers in your classroom and not the desktop. This will be helpful if you're ever teaching from home and working with a substitute in the classroom in a call so that your students can still see and hear what you're saying. To do this, you will want to go into your Teams and click your picture icon in the upper right-hand corner. From here, go into your settings and choose Devices. When you toggle down the speaker option, there will be an option that says Dell. Mine does not say that because I'm not in the building, but yours will. Once you choose the Dell speakers, then any sound in Teams will come over your loudspeaker in your classroom and will be easily heard from your students. Once you choose the Dell speakers, you can X out and it should work.